Right, yeah. Drew Peterson's been waiting a very long time for his trial to begin, but he's going to have to wait another 70 days. Jury selection set to begin on July 23rd, with opening statements set to begin on July 31st. Now, the bulk of today's hearing was focused on what evidence will be admissible during the trial. More than 3 years after he was arrested for the murder of his third wife, Kathleen Savio, Drew Peterson will finally get his day in court. This afternoon, Judge Edward Bermilla set the trial date for the end of July. Peterson sat quietly in court wearing glasses and a blue jumpsuit. When the judge asked him if he was okay with the trial date, Peterson responded sarcastically, quote, "Yes, Your Honor, I've been in solitary confinement for 3 years."
Obviously, I still another 60 days he's going to have to spend in jail, but he's very much looking forward to his day in court, and we can't be here quick enough for him. And also, now that we're going to be in court every couple of weeks working on this case, is something he's obviously also looking forward to.
Kathleen Savio's sister and brother-in-law were in court today.
I'm glad my sister finally has a voice to be spoken. She's gone through a lot, with the domestic violence situation, and I'm glad that she finally has a voice.
In addition to setting a start date for the trial, today's hearing also focused on what evidence will be admissible during the trial. The defense wants the judge to bar any mention of the disappearance of Stacy Peterson, Drew Peterson's fourth wife. Peterson's attorneys also argued that testimony from Kathleen Savio's attorney should not be admissible, arguing he is violating the sacred attorney-client privilege. Savio's attorney has said she told him, quote, "If I die, you have to go to the authorities." The judge didn't rule on that motion today, but both sides are confident he'll rule in their favor. Will County State's Attorney Jim Glasgow.
I believe the conclusion of Judge Bermilla's ruling is going to put us in the position we want to be in.
Peterson's attorneys believe the judge will rule in their favor and not allow Kathleen Savio's attorney to testify.
I can tell you that we're pleased that the judge is going to enforce the law. What's occurred here in passing a law, trying to get in hearsay statements, and violating privileges and attorneys' ethics is just atrocious. Let's get the trial on. Let's put it on with real evidence. Let's see if they've got any real evidence, and we'll be ready.
So a few more rulings have to be wrapped up before the trial begins. One more hearing is scheduled for June 6th. And again, the trial will start July 23rd with jury selection. Opening arguments start on July 31st. Michael Lourdes.
Thank you, Dan.